You're listening to Oncle Jazz.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we are from group 5. Today we will present our materials about freelance translator. And the members of group 5, they are I'm Puspita Naura Maharani and my friends Putri Fadila Batubara. And for the first material will be delivered by Putri Fadila Batubara.
So in this video, I would like to share about definition, benefits, and purpose about freelance translator. So I'll go first, the definition. A freelance translator operating independently converts written text from one language to another language on a project basis, typically from their own workspace. And the next is benefits. So there are benefits of freelance translator. So the first one is it offers flexibility in work hours and location. Next is enabling translator to manage their schedule. Next is maintains work-life balance, and the last is purpose in personal interest alongside professional. And the purpose is from freelance translator to facilitate communication across linguistic barrier, helping business organizer and individual reach broader audience and markets by accurately conveying meaning and tone to the target language. Freelance translator play a crucial role in ensuring effective global communication and understanding. So the next I will give back to the moderator.
So for the next material will be delivered by me. College students aspiring to enter the freelance translation market, so they face several challenges in adapting to its dynamic and competitive landscape. For the first is limited experience. Many college students lack practical experience in the translation industry, which can make it challenging to compete with more experienced translators. Jadi, kalau kita memiliki pengalaman yang terbatas, banyak banget mahasiswa yang merasa kalau ini tuh susah dan mereka memiliki sedikit experience mengenai translation industry. Jadi mereka sedikit struggle untuk berkompetisi dengan yang lainnya karena mereka lebih banyak experience dibandingkan kita. And for the second is about market saturation. The freelance translation market is highly saturated with a large number of translators offering their services. This saturation can make it difficult for college students to stand out and find clients. Nah, jadi kita sebagai freelance translator harus tahu marketnya di mana dan tujuannya itu marketnya untuk klien apa? Apakah untuk mahasiswa, sesama mahasiswa, atau untuk yang next level seperti guru atau penerjemah yang udah profesional. And for the third is about language barriers. Some language barriers are more in demand than others, and college students may face challenges if they specialize in less commonly requested languages. Fourth is about technological advancements. The translation industry is continually evolving with the introduction of new technologies and tools. Keeping up with this advancement can be challenging for college students who are still learning the ropes. Jadi terkadang banyak banget mahasiswa yang gaptek atau kurangnya informasi dan mereka kurang menggali mengenai penggunaan teknologi yang tepat. Dan sebenarnya teknologi sangat membantu untuk freelance translator karena ini sangat mempermudah mereka mencari kata yang susah diterjemah, jadi bisa pakai Google Translate atau menggunakan AI untuk membantu mereka lebih fleksibel dalam menerjemahkan search language into target language. And for the last, it's about client acquisition. Building a client base from scratch can be challenging for college students who may not have established networks or a strong online presence. Nah, untuk membangun interaksi dan koneksi dengan klien, kita harus mendapatkan experience back. Kembali lagi ke nomor 1. To handle these challenges, college students can take several proactive steps. First, gain experience. Seek opportunities for internships, part-time jobs, or volunteer work in the translation industry to gain practical experience and build a portfolio. Nah, jadi kalau misalnya kita kurang experience mengenai translation, kita bisa coba magang, internship, atau part-time jobs sebelum kita benar-benar mencemplungi dunia translation and translator. For the second, specialize. Identify niche areas or industries where there is highly demand for translation services and specialize in those areas to differentiate yourself from the competition. Nah, jadi kita harus menganalisa terlebih dahulu dan mengidentifikasi area yang mau kita ambil marketnya. For the third, it's about continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest industry trends, technological advancements, and language-related developments by attending workshops, webinars, and online courses. Nah, sebagai freelance translator itu juga harus belajar. Kita tetap belajar dan harus stay updated about latest industry trends. Jadi kita harus tetap up to date mengenai trends yang sekarang ini. Ini kita bisa improve our skills dengan menghadiri webinars atau ikut online courses atau coba workshops. Fourth, networking. Build professional networks by attending industry events, joining professional associations, and connecting with experienced translators on social media platforms and online forums. Nah, di sini kita harus lebih banyak network, kayak kita harus banyak relasi mengenai pekerjaan ini karena kita butuh relasi yang lebih luas untuk mengkoneksi, untuk mengkonek mengenai pengalaman kita dan relasi kita mengenai translators. Ini bisa lewat social media platforms atau bisa juga pakai offline dan online forums. Fifth is about marketing and branding. Develop a strong online presence through a professional website, social media profiles, and online platforms for freelancers. Showcase your skills, expertise, and past projects to attract potential clients. For the last is about provide exceptional service. Focus on delivering high-quality translations, meeting deadlines, and providing excellent customer service to build a positive reputation and attract repeat business and referrals. So, by addressing these challenges proactively and implementing effective strategies, college students can overcome obstacles and thrive in competitive landscape of the freelance translation market. So that's all about our presentation today. Thank you so much for your participate and for your patience to watch our video. I hope our information is very insightful for you, and we're truly sorry if we have mistake about our presentation today. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.